Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to prepare this yummy buttery aloo kulcha. Also it's gonna be really crispy and it's gonna have the garlic flavor in it. So it's really yum. Let's start off by preparing the dough for kulcha. So I've taken 1 cup of maida, and to that I'm gonna add half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon sugar. You can also vary salt and sugar according to your taste. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and also some baking soda to it. You can also use Eno if you don't have baking powder and baking soda at your home. And then I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of oil in it. Here I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of curd. You can also add the curd when you feel the dough is really dry, and also by adding water you can just mix it in a very soft dough. Now the magic is that you need to knead the dough really well for 10-15 minutes and then let it rest with oil. Now let's prepare the stuffing. For that I have 4 to 5 boiled potatoes, and I'm gonna mash the potatoes really well to prepare a smooth paste kind of thing. After that I'm gonna add green chilies or capsicum, and once that is done you can also use corn if you wish. Then I'm gonna add salt and red chili powder to it, and I'm gonna give it a really good mix until everything combines well. Now it's time to prepare the butter seasoning for our kulcha. So here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of butter, and to that I have added garlic paste. So I have made this paste with 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and also I'm adding black pepper. You can also add oregano if you wish. So now let's come back to our dough. Knead the dough once more for 4 to 5 minutes and make small balls out of it. Now you need to roll these balls, and while you are making your kulcha make sure you don't roll it too thin. Once that is done you just need to fill the stuffing and lock it in this manner, and again you can roll it just like the normal paratha that we roll. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is don't make it too thin, otherwise the stuffing is going to leak out. So once you're done rolling it, on one side of the kulcha you need to spread a little bit of water. Now this is very important step. This is going to help your kulcha stick to the pan, and on the other side you have to spread the garlic wala butter which we prepared. Now for the kulcha you need this black tawa. Don't use non-stick, and the water part should be towards the tawa so that it would stick. Now the reason why we need to stick this kulcha is because we will be inverting it like this for the flame to directly touch our kulcha for the black color. So as you are seeing here, if you have not applied water in a proper manner, your kulcha is going to fall down, and we don't want that. So this flame is going to make your kulcha really crispy, and be very careful while making it because your kulcha might fall down and you might burn yourself. So this is how your kulcha will look once the flame is directly in contact with it. Now the kulcha is all ready. Spread some butter over it and enjoy your kulcha. So that was all about today's video, and it's super delicious and super crispy at the same time.